Hi, today we're going to talk about internship agreements and we're going to see how to convert this internship agreement form into PDF files. As you can see, I have got some fields added up over here for the internship agreement. Once the user clicks on submit, the response will come under the responses view in the database. I've already added two entries out of the particular form and now I'm looking to convert these entries into PDF files on automation. For this, I'll be using a tool known as PDF Output. This will help me create PDFs on automation from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. So Notion database already contains all the information that is available and a document is where I'll be editing the template to convert to PDF. We can create any reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that we're looking to generate at scale in our business with this exact automation system. Click on create PDF and quickly sign in, and then we will see what we need to do to create the PDFs on automation. So I'm going to quickly sign in over here, and then we will see the remaining steps on how to use this automation setup. The first thing which we need to do is we need to add the database for this. So click on add Notion database, and let's copy the database title which we already have on our workspace. So I will just copy this title and I will put it in the selection screen that will appear in the list over here. So click on select pages and put the same inside the search pages field, and you should be able to see the form populate over here. Click on that, and now the form is added. Whenever you're adding any form, always enter it inside the search pages and then add it. Do not select from the top level pages that you see over here, because if you do that, the database that will be added will not be added correctly and experience will not be smooth. Alongside that, if your database is connected with any other databases through relation properties, so let's say my internship agreement form is connected with database A and database B through relation properties, I need to add database A and database B over here inside search pages so that the PDF file which will be created will have all the relation and roller values appear correctly on the document. Otherwise, the PDF will not have any relation and roller values show up. Click on allow access, and now you should get access to the internship agreement form, which we can use for the remaining steps in the automation. If you click on the drop down, you should be able to see the database populate over here. If it is not showing up, simply click on reload database once or twice, and the database should be visible in the drop down that will be appearing over here. Okay, so it is still not yet visible, so I'll just click on reload database once more, and I should be able to see the particular form populate over here. So please have some patience and try reloading it once or twice, and it should definitely appear. And now you can see all the properties of the internship agreement form showing up over here. Let's click on add Google document. If you already have an internship agreement template available on your drive, go with an existing document and choose the template that would be available on your drive. Okay, I don't have any existing document available, so I will instead add a demo document which will create me a new document with all the placeholders automatically created. Okay, so we can see every placeholder automatically showing up over here. Now, when the PDF will be generated, all these placeholders that you see inside double curly brackets will be mapped with the database values that will come up from here. As an example, the company name field that you see over here will be used and it will be placed on the company name value that you see over here. Similarly, intern name will be fetched from here, and the internship duration will be fetched from the database that we have over here. So likewise, all the fields will be fetched and these double curly brackets will be replaced with the values from that. If you want to manually add any property, so let's say I want to add role and duties, click on copy, go to the document wherever you want to add it, and simply use Control V or Command V on your keyboard. Okay, so you can simply use Control V or Command V to copy paste the property onto the document. So likewise, you can copy paste any property onto the document directly, and you can simply map it over there live. Okay, so once all the mappings are done, you can define how the PDF file will be named. So I want to define the PDF file by the intern name that we have over here. So let me select the intern name from the drop down, and now let me click on download PDF. Before generating the PDF, make sure you have the generate PDF column set as ready to generate, whichever you want to convert to PDF, and the PDF will be directly created in the PDF file column for a use case. It also downloads the PDF right inside the downloads folder as well, and it will save the PDF right inside here as well. So we can see the first file is already out, and if you click on this, you should be able to see all the properties of the particular document have been mapped with the database values correctly. Okay, let's open up the second file. This also has all the placeholders automatically mapped with the database values. So we just created two documents where all the properties were correctly mapped. Now if you want to automate this process forever, click on setup Notion automation. And now you do not need to touch PDF output ever again and set up everything from scratch to create the PDF. Whenever user will click on submit and a new entry appears here, simply mark it as ready to generate, and the PDF will automatically get created in the PDF file column over here. This will use the exact same template that you would have used earlier, and the PDFs will be generated. This makes the process really easy and convenient, as all the automations happen directly inside the Notion database, and in that scenario, do not need to use PDF output to set up anything from scratch to generate the PDF. I hope this explanation was clear to you. If you still have any questions, use this chat bubble. Send me a message with your queries on this. I'll be able to address the same. Or you can go to the bottom of the home page where you will find the contact window and send me an email right away. I'll be able to assist on the same as well. You can even book a free demo session where I'll be guiding you step by step on how to use this